Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video you can see the basic working of a joystick. So this is the dual axis joystick based on variable resistance and one switch for switch output pin. So you can see the variable resistance of 10 kilo ohm each, which controls the x-axis and the y-axis of system, and you can see the push switch, and the internal part of joystick will look like this. The stick moves in all directions like according to the axis, and the pin out of this like this. So we have to make a circuit so we can understand the base working. So we use some LED and breadboard to visualize the output. So we are using the male to female connector wire, and connect the whole wires according to the circuit diagram given in the description. So connect the switch, y-axis, x-axis, and the power, and you can see the positive and negative of the joystick. Now put on the positive and negative of the joystick to the breadboard, and also connect the switch and both axis output on the breadboard. So the first is for x and y axis and switch. Now connect the accordingly to my circuit diagram. So the first one is switch, so I connect the single LED, and the second one is x-axis. So for visualizing the x-axis and the minus signal, so I use a diode, so we can separate the signal positive and negative, and you can see the LED responding according to my joystick rotation. So you can see the LED is glowing little bit as I rotate the stick. So this is the x-axis, y-axis. Now we can see the x-axis LEDs, that is the middle, both two LEDs are glowing according to the joystick. So like this, the basic working of this joystick. In my upcoming video I'm making some robot controlling with this joystick, and some interesting project based on this. So till then, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, and also subscribe to my channel and like, share. Thanks for watching.